How to use transitions for your video in Capcut PC. Drag the videos that you want to work on onto your timeline. Put them right next to each other. Now go to the top of your Capcut PC screen towards the left where you have different icons and look for the transition icon. Click on it and you're going to see a drop down menu of different transitions that have been uploaded by Capcut. Note that any transition that has a purple diamond next to it are only for pro users, and anyone without the purple diamond is for free, and that's what we need for this project. I'm going to use the clap and pull transition, which is for free. To select it, go to the lower right of the transition icon and you're going to see a blue icon with a plus sign. Click on it and you can see that it's automatically added to your videos. Let's play to preview it. Now if you would like to change the duration of this transition, make sure it's selected and go to the top far right of your Capcut PC screen. Under transition, where you have transition parameters, and under it the duration slider. We can decrease it to make the transition a bit shorter, and as you are doing that, you automatically see it shorten between your videos. Let's play to check it out. Hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more tutorial videos like this.